Right when I turn on the heat, it burns right here. And the second step, it lock out. Maybe this one right here, the circuit board or something. Let's see what's going on. See it burn right here, almost 30 seconds already. You try to turn on right now. Let's see it work or not. You see the sound? See, it's not on, guys. Crazy. Right here, see what's going on? Maybe some right here, the sensor get damaged or something. See, I changed the new sensor already. It keep burning. Okay, after the gas burn about 30 seconds, it stopped. Turn on the fan, and then it not flow, the air not working. I changed the capacitor. Cost only $8. Right now it's work very good, guys. So I the good lesson. I changed the sensor. I changed the control board, circuit board, and it doesn't work. It doesn't stop. And right now it's working. I don't make the video, yes, but you see it burning, and then after it burns, stop. I just changed the capacitor, only $8. You will see the picture of the capacitor underneath. I did not see the capacitor inside. After I find out, it's in there behind the fan at the bottom. Cost only $8. It solved the problem, guys. You see right there, the sensor right there. This one, the capacitor, work perfect, guys. It costs only $8, and my nearby is on Amazon anywhere. You check out the same number, only $8. Solve the problem. Bye bye.